Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your listening developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just done many of the things using React.js and many of the other languages. Like we have just covered up many of the videos using React 18 and Java, and I hope you understand that all videos. Like in the previous video, I have just built project using React 18, and in the previous more videos, I have telling you about Java, and we have also built first practical project in Java in the previous video of Java, and I hope you understand that. So today we are not building any of the project or video related to React 18 or Java. Today we are building a big video, and I will be telling you moving forward like what project we are building today and what language we are using in this project. So I hope you'll be understanding this video. If you understand, enjoy this. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos like that in future and want to learn more other stuff and more other languages things, so remember to hit notification bell as well after subscribing, from which you'll be notified with all the videos which I'll be uploading. And share this video so more people can learn and they can understand this how we can just build projects using these all amazing languages. You can also check my previous videos and previous courses which I have uploaded, because I've just covered up previously on JavaScript tutorial in which I've given you whole detail about JavaScript, and I hope you understand that because many people watch it and give good feedback. And with that JavaScript tutorial, I've also started the React 18 tutorial, and it is also having a good feedback, and I've just uploaded 60 plus video using React 18. And with that React 18 tutorial, I've also started the Java tutorial because many of the people were just demanding about Java tutorial. So I've started with React 18, and one day I'll be uploading React 18 video and one day we upload Java video. So you can check that both tutorials because that will giving you help. In Java, we have only built one project here, but moving forward, I'll be building more videos related to Java because we have started it in the previous week. So in that, I've just covered up the setting up development environment, how to install Java and that all stuff. You can check that off if you want to learn Java from start, like how to download Java, what accelerator we should be using, and how to build first project in Java. So that will giving you help. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video. But before that, just you have to check my all the previous video like I've telling you, because that will giving you help. And just now we'll be starting with our today's project and seeing that what project we are building today and what language we are just using in this project from start to end. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing e-commerce mobile store, and we will be using Next.js 13 in that. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we are just building this amazing e-commerce mobile store. So for building this, I will be opening my VS Code. And after opening the VS Code here, I will be now closing all the files and opening my folder which is on desktop with the name of e-commerce mobile store using Next.js 13. So I'll be opening this folder, and then this is my main file. So I will be now erasing all the codes from here because I will be not needing these all things. I will be writing my own codes. So I will be now just erasing that. Then you have to save this, press Ctrl B to close side panel. Then you can just change the title here. I will be writing e-commerce mobile store. So here I will be now just writing here e-commerce mobile store like this. Save it. Then when you will be just saving it, so here you will be getting all the files. So after doing this thing, just I will be now moving down, and here you have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser. So here I will be moving to my desktop. This is my folder and this is my file here. So I will be double clicking and opening this. After opening this, I will be doing it side by side. At the left we are getting VS Code and at the right our interface here. So now here when you just done this, here you have to now move in this body tag and write here div tag. After writing this, here you have to write nav class, and then write here nav bar. Then you have to write here expand lg. Then you have to just write here nav bar light bg light. Then when you've just written this, here you have to now just write here class, and in class I will be just writing navbar. So here I will be now just writing navbar bread href. Then here you have to just now write here a tag which should be like image. Then you have to write here images slash logo. Then you have to now just close this, and then you have to now just move down right here button, write class, and in class I will be writing navbar toggler. Then you have to just write here type is equals to button. Then you have to write here data toggle is equals to collapse. So here I will be writing this. Then after writing here, you have to just write here data target is equals to, then I will be writing here navbar text. Then you have to just move down, or you can say here I will be writing area controls is equals to, then you have to now just write here navbar. So here I will be writing navbar text. Then you have to just write here area expanded is equals to, then I will be writing false. Area label is equals to, and here you have to just write here toggle and write here navigation. After writing this tag, here you have to write span tag class, and in this class I will be writing navbar toggler. Then I will be just writing here icon. Then you have to just write here div class, and in class I will be writing collapse navbar. Then I will be just now writing here a tag which should be like collapse. After writing this tag here, you have to write id navbar, and then you have to write here text, and then you have to just move down and write here ul tag, and write here class, and in class I will be writing navbar nav, and here you have to write mr auto. Then you have to just move down, right, and then after moving down here you have to press backspace here. Then you have to just move after this tag, right here is span class, and write navbar text. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move down, right here ul tag, and write here class which should be like navbar nav, then write here mr auto. Then you have to just write here li tag class, then I will be writing here nav item, and then you have to write here active. Then after writing this you have to just write here a tag, then here I will be just writing class. After writing class you have to write here nav link, then you have to just write here href, and then you have to write the file name here. Here you have to now just write here home tag span class, then I will be now just writing here sr only. Then you have to now just write here current. So here I will be making this. Then when you just written this, here you have to just write here li tag class, write here nav item, and then I will be now just writing here nav item drop down, and you have to just write here a tag, and then you have to now just write class, and in class I will be now just writing a tag which will be like nav link, and after writing this nav link here I will be now just writing drop down, and then you have to just write here toggle, then write here href, and then hashtag. Here you have to write id, right, navbar, then you have to just write here drop down menu link. So here I will be now just removing this tag, and then I will be now just writing a tag here which should be like href, and in this I will be just now removing this, right here role is equals to button. Then I will be now just writing role button here. After writing role button here you have to just now write here data toggle is equals to which should be drop down. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to just now write a tag which should be like area, and write here hash popup is equals to, then write here true. And after writing this you have to write here area expanded, and in area expanded here I will be writing false. Then write here shop, here you have to write div class, write drop down menu. Then you have to now just write here area labeled. So here I will be now writing area labeled by, right here is equals to, and write navbar. Then you have to write here drop down, and then you have to write here menu link. Then you have to just move down here, write here a tag. Then here I will be writing class which will be like drop down, and write here item. Then you have to just write here href. In href you have to write computer, and then you have to write here accessories. So here I will be writing accessories here like this, and then you have to write here the file name like this thing. Then here I will be writing computer accessories. So here you have to now just write here accessories like this, and then you have to move down after this same tag here, and then I will be now just writing a tag which will be like class first of all. Then here in class I will be writing drop down item. So here I will be writing this, and in href you have to just write here computer dash, then here you have to write mobile. So here I will be now writing mobile dash accessories. Then I will be now just writing here the file name, and here you have to now just write here mobile, and then here I will be just writing here accessories like this. Then when you've just written this, here you have to move down, right here li tag, and then you have to write here class which should be like nav item. Then you have to now move down, right here a tag, then you have to just write here class which should be like nav link. So here I will be writing, and then you have to just write here href this time, and write here about us like this. Then you have to just now write here about us. So here I will be now writing this. Then write here li tag class nav item, and then here when you just written this a tag, here you have to just write class nav link. So here I will be writing this. Then write here href, and here you have to just write contact us. So here I will be now just writing here. Then you have to write here contact us like this. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write li tag class, then write here nav item, write here a tag. Then you have to just write here class again which should be like nav link, and then here you have to write href, and then you have to now just make a tag which should be like I tag. So here I will be now just writing here I tag class which should be like fa dash user circle o. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write area hidden is equals to, then you have to write here true. Then after writing true, here you have to move down, write here li tag class, write nav item. Then you have to just write here a tag. Then here I will be now just writing class which should be like nav link. right here href and then hashtag. Here you have to move down, and then after moving down, right here I tag here as well. Then you have to create a class fa shopping. Then I will be now just writing here cart, right here area hidden, then right here true. After writing this, save it, then reload. So you can see we are just getting this navbar menu there. After getting these all tag here, I will be moving after this nav tag. Then right here div id, and in id I will be now just writing here Carousel example. Then I will be now just writing here captions. Here I will be writing Carousel. Then I will be now just writing here slide Carousel. Then you have to just write here fade. And then when you just written this, here I will be now moving forward. Right here data right Carousel. Then you have to just move down right here ol class. Then I will be now just writing here Carousel dash. Then I will be writing here indicators. Then you have to just write here li data target. Then I will be now just writing here hashtag Carousel. Right here example captions like this thing. Then you have to just write here data slide is equals to, or you can say dash 2 is equals to 0. Then you have to just write here class active. Then you have to just move down, right here li tag, and right here data target is equals to, right here hashtag Carousel example captions. So here you have to write this. Right here data slide is equals to, or you can say data slide 2 is equals to 1. Then you have to just move down, right here li tag, data target is equals to, right here Carousel example captions. Then you have to now just write a tag which should be like data slide, and then you have to write here 2 is equals to 2. Right here div class this time, and here you have to write Carousel inner. And then you have to move down, right here div class, and then you have to write here Carousel item, and right here active. Then you have to just write here image, right here images slash, then right here tag which should be like slider 1. So I will be now just writing here right class which should be like d block, right here w100 means width 100. Then in this, here you have to write div class, and here I will be just writing Carousel captions. So here I will be now just writing here. Then you have to write here d none, and here you have to write dmd block. Then you have to just now move down, right here h5, and then in h5 I will be just writing here first slide. So here I will be now writing here label. So I will be just moving down, right here p tag, and then write this Lauren tag. Then you have to just move down, right here div class, and then write here Carousel item. Then you have to just now move here. Then I will be now just erasing this because it will be really big text here. So I will be writing a random text like Vite. Then you have to write here Elite, and write here Labiro. Like this I am just writing the random text here. So I will be using it moving forward as well. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write then you have to write here list like this. Then you have to now just write here interdem like this thing. Now when you've just written this, here I will be just moving down, and then when you just written this thing, so here we have to just use it here as well. So I will be copying this div from here directly, and then you have to paste this div here as well. And after pasting this, here you have to just write here slider 2. Then you have to now just write here second slider. So here I will be now just writing second. Then when you've just written this, here you have to just make it at the back here, this thing. And then here when you've just written these all stuff, so you can see this, here we have just written this. Then you have to paste this thing again. Then I will be moving at the back, and then here you have to now just make this. And here when you just written this, here you have to just write here third. So here I will be now moving here, and then I will be just writing here slider 3. Then after writing here, and then here when you just written this thing, just I will be moving after this tag, write here a tag. Then you have to write here class. In class this time I will be writing Carousel dash control preview. Then you have to just write here href and write here Carousel. Then you have to write here example and write captions. Here you have to now write here roll button. So here you have to write roll button data slide preview, which is the shortcut key here. Then write here span Carousel. Then you have to write here control preview icon. Then in the center you have to just first of all write here area hidden, and then I will be writing here true. After writing this tag, here you have to move down, right here span tag class sr only. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here previous, and here you have to write a tag. So here I will be now just giving it the class, and in class I will be writing Carousel control next. and then in href I will be just writing here carousel example, then I will be writing here captions. After writing here you have to write role is equals to button and write here data, slide next, and then you have to just move down, right here span carousel, and then you have to write here control dash next icon, right here area hidden is equals to true. Then you have to just now move down after this tag, right here span tag, right here class sr only, so I will be now just writing here sr only. Then here when you just written this I will be writing here next. Here now when you just done with these all things, so here I will be moving down, right here div class heading, then here I will be moving down after this tag, right here our unique, then I will be writing here offerings, and then when you just written this thing, here you have to just move down, right here div class main card, then when you've written this, right here div class card 1, then you have to just write here div I tag class, then I will be writing fa, so here I'll be writing fa truck like this, and then when you've just written this, here I will be writing here area hidden, then I will be just now writing here true, and after writing this tag, here you have to write div h3 and write here free shipping, so here I will be now just writing here div class card 2, and then you have to just write here div and write I tag class, right here fa and write headphones, then when you've just written this, right here area hidden true, then you have to just write here div, and here I will be now just writing h3, right here 24/7, then right here support. So after writing this tag, here you have to just move down, right here div class, right here card 3, and this time I will be now writing here div and right here I tag. So here I will be now writing I tag class, write fa thumbs up, then you have to just now write here area hidden is equals to true. So here I will be now making this, then you have to write here div h3, then write here best quality. So here I will be writing save it, reload, so you can see this, we are getting all these things here. After getting these things, here you have to move after the 3 divs which we have written here, so I will be moving down, then you have to write here div class, and then you have to write here new arrivals, so here I will be writing this, then you have to write here div class heading, and then when you just written this, here you have to write here h1 and then write here new arrivals, then you have to just write here div class, and then I will be now just writing here container, and here you have to just write here div class row justify content, then I will be writing center, and here I will be now just writing div class call sm6, right here call md6, right here call lg3, then you have to just write here div class card, and then you have to now just write here images slash, then you have to write here headphones, and then when you just written this, write here card image top, then when you just written this tag, here you have to now just move down, right here div class card body, so here I will be writing this, then right here h5 class, then I will be now just writing here card title, in the center I will be now just writing here bluetooth headphones, so here I will be now just writing here, then you have to just write here p tag class card text here, then in center you have to just now write here rupees 950, so you can just write the price here, a tag, then you have to give the class btn primary, so here I will be now writing here, then when you just written this, here I will be writing add to cart, and then you have to just move down after this tag, right here div class call sm6 call md6, then I will be writing call lg3, then you have to just move down, right here div class card, and then you have to just write here images slash, then I will be writing here gaming, and then you have to write here mouse.jpg, and then here I will be just writing class card, then I will be now just writing class card image top, then you have to now just move here forward, right here div class, then I will be just writing here card body, and then you have to just write here h5, and then you have to now just write here card title, then you have to write here gaming mouse, so here I will be now just writing like this, and after writing this tag, here you have to move down, right here p tag, write card text here, then I will be now just writing rupees 550, then you have to just write here a tag, and then you have to write here class which should be like btn, right here btn, and then you have to write here primary, and then you have to now just write here add to cart, so here I will be now just writing here, then when you've just written this, here you have to move down, right here div class call sm6, right here call md6, and then right here call lg3, then right here div class card, then I will be now just writing here images slash, Then I will be now just writing here laser. So here I will be now just writing here laser printer.jpg. Right here card image. So here I will be now making it top. After writing this tag here, you have to now just move down after this thing and write here div class, write here card body. Then you have to just write here h5 and write here class which should be like card title. Then in center I will be writing laser printer, and then you have to just move down, write here p tag class card text. Then I will be now just writing here rupees for 500. Then when you just written this, here you have to write class. Then I will be writing here btn primary. So here I will be now just making it primary. Then here I will be writing the button name add to cart, and then you have to just move down, and then after moving down here I will be just writing a tag div class, and then you have to write call sm6, write here call md6, and then you have to just write here call lg3. Here you have to just move down, write here div class, and then you have to now just write here card. Here you have to just write images slash lcd. Then here you have to just write here monitor like this dot jpeg. Then write here class, and then you have to just write here card image top. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just now move down, write here div class, write here card body. So here I will be making this. Then write here h5, and here you have to write class which should be like card title. Then in center I will be just writing lcd monitor. Then you have to move down, write here p tag class, and write here card text. Then I will be now just writing here rupees 1550. Then you have to just write here a tag, and then write here class btn primary, and then you have to just write here like this tag, write here add to cart. Then you have to now just write here a tag which will be like this thing, and you can see we have just written. So here now we have to move down, and that here I will be writing 6. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these are the 6 divs. Here I will be moving down after these divs, and you have to write here feature products. After writing this feature products tab, here you have to now just move down, and then you have to just write here div class heading. Then you have to now just write here h1 and write here featured and write here products like this. After writing this featured products, you have to write here div class container. Then you have to just write here div class row and write here justify, and then you have to write here justify content center. Then you have to now just write here div. So here I will be writing div class, and then you have to write here call sm6, and then you have to just write here call md. Then you have to write here 6 call lg3. Then you have to just write here div class card, and then when you've just written this, here you have to just write images slash, and then you have to just write here mini projector. So I will be now just writing here mini projector.jpg, write here class which should be like card image top. Then when you've just written this, here you have to move down, write here div class card body, and then you have to just move down again, write here h5, write here class. Then I will be writing here card title. Then in this card title I will be writing mini portable. Then you have to write here projector. After writing this, here you have to just write here p tag class card text. Then I will be now just writing here rupees 4670. So I will be now just writing this, write here a tag, and then you have to give it the class btn primary. And then after giving it the primary, here you have to just move down. Here I will be writing add to cart. Then here you have to just write div class, and then you have to write call sm6, write here call md6, and write here call lg3. So here I will be writing call lg3. Then you have to just write here div class card. Then you have to now just write here images slash, and then write here bluetooth, and then write speaker, write here class which should be like card image top. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just move down, write here div class card body. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here h5 class. Then you have to just write here card title. Then in center I will be writing bluetooth. So I will be writing here bluetooth speaker. Then you have to just move down, write here p tag, and then here I will be writing class which should be like card, write here title, and then in center you have to just write here here we have just written title. So here I will be writing text, write here 1850. Then you have to just write here a tag, write class which should be like btn, and write here primary. And here you have to just write here add to cart. And then when you've just written this, here you have to write div class and right here call sm6, right here call md6, and then when you've just written this, here you have to write call lg3, right here div class card. Then when you've just written this, here you have to write images slash, then I will be just writing here external. So here I will be now writing here external hdd.jpg, right here class, and right here card image top. Then when you've just written this thing, just I will be now moving after this tag here. So I will be just moving forward. Then after moving forward in this tag here, I will be now just this time I will be writing a tag which should be like div class card body. Then here you have to just write h5 class. Then I will be writing here card title. Then in center I will be writing 160 GB, right here portable. So right here portable hard drive like this. Then you have to just move down after this tag, right here p tag card text. Then in center I will be writing rupees 6850. Then you have to just write here a tag, right here class which should be like btn dash primary. So here I will be writing in the center, I will be writing add to cart. Then you have to just now move down, right here div class, right here call sm6, right here call md6, call lg3. Then you have to move down, right here div class. So here I will be now writing this card. Then you have to just write here images slash, then I will be now just write here digital camera. So I will be now just writing here digital camera dot jpeg. Then you have to write here class, and in class I will be writing card image top. Then you have to just move down after this tag, right here div class card body. Then you have to just move down, right here h5 and right here class, and in class I will be writing card title. In the center you have to write digital. So here I will be writing digital camera. And then when you've just written this, here you have to move down, right here p tag class and right here card text. Then in center you have to write here rupees 5790. Then you have to now just write here class which should be like btn primary. So here I will be now just writing here, then right here add to cart. Then when you've just written this, so here I will be writing 3 4. So I will be now just writing 4 5 6. So this is the sixth tag. Here I will be writing div class footer. Then I will be just moving down, right here div h4. Then here I will be writing copyright. Then you have to write here I tag class fa, and then you have to write here copyright. Then you have to now just write here area hidden is equals to true. Then when you've just written this, here you have to now move forward, right here 2023 @copy. Then you have to now just write here my name like this. Now when you've just written this thing, just I will be now saving it. Here you have to reload. Now if I just show you, you can see we are getting all these things here, and this is the amazing project which we have built. In this you can see we are just getting all the sliders here, then this paragraph, and we are also getting these all you can say logos, home. Then in shop we are getting the drop down menu, about us, contact us, these all menus. Then if I move to home, so we are getting all these products you can add into your cart. So like this we can just build this amazing e-commerce mobile store using Next.js 13. You can see how good looking is that. So we are also getting the featured product in which we are getting our mini portable projector, Bluetooth speaker, then 160 GB portable hard drive. Then we are also getting the digital camera. Then in the end we are also getting the copyright section, which is looking good. So like this we can just build this amazing project of e-commerce mobile store, and I hope you understand how we have just built this project of e-commerce mobile store. If you have enjoyed understand this project, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these things, how to build projects using Next.js 13 and many different languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials using these all amazing languages. But before that, you have to check my all the previous videos as well, because that will also giving you help. So now for today, goodbye.